Major Faim here. Got this sample. I've got this sample chopped up. I've got this sample chopped up. I'm trying to mess with the cuts. This sample chops. That's what I have so far. I think I might add that. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I haven't messed with this at all. Maybe 5 minutes. From my understanding, these are scenes. These are groups. These are patterns. So, we should be able to take group or pattern 1, duplicate it, and that's not it. Okay, so how do we do that? There we go. Let's add that other variation in. So that's pattern 2. It's pattern 1. Let's go to group B. Still waiting for some of this stuff to load from 13 Ultimate. What do I have left? Still 12 more. Oh wow, that took like 2.5 hours to download. 19.7 gigabytes, so I'd imagine it's going to take a while to install. I'm going to skip that one. Try to install these smaller ones, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9 gig, and then do the other ones later. But yes, back to the beat. What's going on? I think because I have native access running, my computer's going slow. Library. Groups. There we go. Caribbean Heat, that's a new one I didn't have. Cavern Floor, that's a new one. Decoded Forms is new. District Zeo. This is new. Global Shake, that's new. I like this headland flow, headland flow, headland flow. I might have to cancel this video. I don't know. My computer's running this slow. I've got the libraries loading onto an external hard drive. Man, yeah, this is going really slow. wasn't until I started trying to record. And what do we have here? That's not what I wanted to do. I did not want the groups MIDI data. Sounds good. But let's clear that pattern out. Pattern 2, shift, clear. Pattern 1, shift, clear. Pattern length 2 bars instead. Let's record that. Actually, you know what? It's hard for me to play at the correct tempo. Yeah, fuck it. Mess that all up. Undo, undo. Do quantize 50%. That first one's way off. Not really, but I'm just gonna move it there. Quantize those. One of them's still off. Right here. Lower the volume on this. They're off a little bit, but that's okay. Well, pattern 1, duplicate, pattern 2. Okay, so duplicate pattern 1, pattern 2. There we go. Let's do that again. Duplicate pattern 2, pattern 3. Go back to 1. All I wanted on this was the hats. And then I think I'm gonna delete that kick. C. Oh, what should we do on group C? I know I have more instruments than that. That's strange. What's George Duke Soul Treasures? That's a new one that came with Komplete13 Ultimate. Let's drop that in there. Another reason too is any of these sound banks, I believe, if you've never loaded them before, the first time you do it takes a while like this, and then from that point on they should load faster. That's my previous experience. Could be wrong, but I swear that's what it seems like. Okay, so let's drop that in. Oh, that's strange. There's no engine for it. It should be contact or something, right? Well, whatever. I don't need to time stretch it, I guess, because it fits to it. Okay, so what do we have? We have this. Alright, so these things should be lighting up. I don't know why they're not. Song. Add mode. That's not it. This would be piano roll. I don't want a clip. What's going on here? Still figuring out how to use this thing. Anyways, so this is what we have so far. Probably going to end the video after this. Alright guys, I think that's going to do it for today. I'm not really feeling it whatsoever. What can I do? I guess I can try to show you the original sample. I only did my chops one page full. So the last chop's the rest of the sample. It already had a melody, so I mean, I like it. I like the sample. I just wish the bass, I guess, maybe wasn't so loud, which I mean I could take out, but it's just for demonstration purposes. I probably won't even save this beat. I just wanted to preview the Maschine Jam. Still got some work to do. I know these light up, so I'm gonna have to figure out, I guess, how to do that. Yeah. Got some playing around to do, some research to do on it, really figure out how to use it. I mean, I'm still learning stuff on this every day, so. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Major Faim, over and out.